So my fish is ready to be turned on the opposite side. So I'm just going to go in with my fork and I'm going to turn my fish. See, it's well crispy. I'm just turning them on the opposite side. Guys, you want to make these fish, you know, a little crispier than how you would normally make them. Not too dry, but just a little crispy, so they're crunchy when you're eating them. So this is what my fish look like on the opposite side. And we're going, when this side, the other side looks, you know, like this side, then we're just going to add it to a plate. And I'm going to be showing you every step of making this escovitch fish, guys. My fish is ready. My fish is ready on both sides, guys. So I'm just going to take this out of the pot and I'm going to add it to my container, and then I will add the rest of the ingredients. So fish is ready. See, both sides are ready, guys. So I just have to take these out. Both sides are ready. I'm gonna add the other set of my fish. So I'll be going in. Fish is ready, almost. Guys, you wouldn't believe the hours that I am in the kitchen. And trust me, this fish is going to be delicious. So you can try this at home. You know, season your fish properly and yeah, put some oil in the pot and fry them off. And yeah, you'll enjoy it, I'm telling you. So I am going to prepare the sauce that I'm going to put over my fish. So guys, stay tuned and watch escovitch fish, guys. Guys, this is all the ingredients that I'm putting in my escovitch fish. And I have an onion, I have green bell pepper, I have yellow bell pepper, I have orange bell pepper, I have a Scotch bonnet pepper, and I have a carrot. So I'm just going to cut all of these up, and then I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the pot, just a small amount. And I'm going to put these in the oil and let it kind of, you know, fry up and stuff like that. I'm not going to let it cook all the way through because it's supposed to be crunchy. So I'll be adding the vinegar to it, and after the vinegar I will be adding a little bit of sugar. Guys, I can't stress this enough. Just a small amount of sugar, because you know the vinegar has a tanny taste, or a tan taste. So when you put the sugar in there, it kind of, you know, blends it together and let it not be so untasteable, unbearable. So you put just a small amount of sugar to it. But I'm going to show you what I do, so you know you could take the same steps. The escovitch fish, the same step in making the escovitch fish. So here I'll be showing you, you know, how I cut my stuff. So this is just my pot. I'm just gonna add a small amount of cooking oil, just a small amount. I hope you guys are able to see the amount that I'm putting in. Just a small amount, because we don't want too much grease. Just a little to, you know, to put the onions in and the sweet pepper and everything. So just want this to get a little hot. Then I'm gonna add everything in and let it fry just for a little bit. Just remember, we're not gonna cook all these vegetables all the way through. So I think my oil is ready. Yep, should be. So I'm gonna go in with the vegetables. This is my onion. My sweet pepper. My carrots. Look at this, guys. Guys, look at this. This is my escovitch sauce. And this is sweet pepper in colors, green, yellow, orange. And my onion, my hot scotch bonnet pepper, and my carrot. A little bit frying. Yes, guys, this is my escovitch sauce in a little oil. I'm just letting it, you know. Guys, this smells delicious. Just gonna go in with a little vinegar. This is beautiful, guys. All the different colors. Oh my. So guys, I want to thank you guys for tuning into my videos and liking and sharing. You know, I recently started this channel, and you know, it's been going, but we know how it is. But I'm grateful to all my subscribers, and I'm thankful for all my watchers that watch my videos every week. I'm really grateful. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with my little vinegar. Not too much, because I don't have a lot of fish today. So that's just, you know, a little vinegar. Let's see how this looks, if it's enough. Should be. Let me add a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in with a little sugar. Small amount of sugar, guys. That's all the sugar we need in there, because we don't want it to be sweet. We just want to, you know, kind of tone down the flavor of the vinegar. Yep. Wow, the smell. Woo. Oh my, 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 my. Okay guys, I'm gonna cover this for 5 minutes. Because remember, we don't want these onions to get too soft. We don't want them to be soft. We want them to be crunchy. So let's give it a little 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Cover it. And when I come back, I will be adding my escovitch sauce to my fish. So stay tuned guys, don't go nowhere. My sauce is ready. I turned off my stove and this is my sauce and it's all ready. And this is my fish and I will be pouring this sauce all over this fish. Look at that guys. Guys, you see the heat and everything that's coming out of this? That's what we want. So we have to cover this so we catch all the heat, so the flavor will go in the fish and the fish flavor will go into the vegetables.